Hey everybody, welcome back. So this video I just wanted to show you that I finally got the neon finished above the pool table, and it looks really cool. But I tell you what, it was not an easy feat, and I'm not 100% complete yet. Anyway, I've got to I still have to connect a couple of things, and believe it or not, you just use super glue to put it up there, and then I'm putting these staples also so it doesn't come down if the glue loosens up. But anyway, I've still got some staples and things to put up, but basically you can see what it's going to look like. Very cool. It's right above the pool table there. The pool table isn't completely together yet. We've got the slate slabs over here. It's 3 of them, and each one of those weighs 250 pounds. So, you know, you're talking about almost 1,000 pounds that this table weighs when it's all together. Right now we're using it as a platform to work on. So, but anyway, and then the fluorescent tubes up there will come on when we're actually playing pool. Pretty much lights up the world when those are on. And then when we're not playing pool, we'll turn those off. And then I have the neon switched also. So it's pretty cool stuff. I tell you what, this flexible neon is just really great stuff. My Coke sign right there is real neon, and that's going to go up here after we get the stairs built. Then that's going to go right along in there, and it's going to curve. The curved ends on it will curve like that at this corner, and then I'm going to continue the neon along that face right there, stop it at the clock, and then pick it up again over on this side, and then the clock will be neon as well. So that should look pretty nice. And then the colors that I'm using, I think I'm going to use this red and this yellow at various different spots. And then also I'm going to put stainless steel. Like this column right here is going to be all stainless steel. And it's going to be solid, you know, not open like that, but it's going to be solid stainless steel. And then the countertop is going to be like a traditional diner, what do you call it, Formica. So anyway, that should all be pretty nice when it's done. But I just wanted to show you the ceiling. And now, see, this is coming down, so I've got to finish it up. But what we're going to do now is work on the marquee that's going to go up above it. As you can see, it overhangs the short wall up in the loft there, and I'm going to build like a theater marquee at the top there, so it just kind of looks all as one piece. I've got a brace up there right now holding it, but the theater marquee will probably come out to around that area there, and then, you know, it's going to follow the curve. So that's going to be really nice. So now that that's done, I'm going to get back on the bikes, but I just wanted to show you the finished ceiling there. I'm really excited about it. Turned out just as good as I thought it would. So and actually it looks really cool when you first enter the shop there. It kind of looks like a flying saucer hovering above there. So anyway, tell me what you think in the comments. Everybody who's seen it likes it, so let me know what you think. And if you have any suggestions, let me know. Okay, so I'm going to get back on the bikes and stay tuned for more videos to come. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. And after you hit the subscribe button, there should be a little bell there. If you hit that, you'll get the notifications when I post a new video. So again, thanks for watching. I really appreciate all the subscribers and the comments. And if you want to know more about the flexible neon, let me know. It's pretty cool stuff. It's all low voltage. Here's a couple of pieces here. I'll kind of just briefly show you what they're like. Here's one here, and then this is like a little test battery thing that you can plug them into. Let me set this camera down here so I can show you. Not sure how I'm going to do this, but like this little test piece here is yellow. I know it's kind of hard to see with the camera light. Let me see if I can turn that off. I guess not. But anyway, you get the idea. It's pretty simple connection. Like I said, it's low voltage and really easy. It's really flexible. You can cut it. Those are the cut points right there. So you can cut it like every couple of inches or so. And then you splice them together with these little connectors here. And they plug in to the end right there. But let me know in the comments if you want more information on this flexible neon stuff. It's really cool stuff. It's not cheap. I mean, it can run anywhere from $5 to $10 a foot, but it's a lot cheaper than real neon and a lot more durable. So that's it. And again, please subscribe and let me know if you have any comments, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.